So today my question is about romantic love. Why do people on earth fall in love? What is it about the lovers? What is it about the other person that activates something so much that it creates whole range of emotions? What is your message on this topic? And the answer comes, love is your intricate nature. You fall in love when you are in body to experience it in the body. What attracts you to that somebody else so much, which you say create whole lot of confused and mixed emotions, range of emotions in you, is the fact that there is nobody else. There is no that somebody special or anybody else. It is just you and you and you. It is just you and your being pushed out, your energies pushed out, which you see in the other person. Irresistible, attractive. Actually, those parts of you that are looking for fulfillment get triggered and activated if and when you see that resonating in the other person. There are things that you might be wanting to do. For example, you might get intrigued by the freedom of the other person that he or she is exhibiting, or the fierce courage which is a part of you, but you have subdued it due to circumstances, or the leaps of faith that somebody can take, the confidence which somebody can exhibit. For example, you have confidence and you say that my life is going to be beautiful always, and you have that assurance. Be it any city, be it any place, be it any circumstance, my life is always going to be beautiful because I am supported by the universe. Now this is a trait which can draw people to you. Your courage to surrender, your courage to handle every situation in precise and balanced manner can be a great magnet. It might be existing in the other person. In fact, it is all existing in everybody. Every trait is existing in everybody. The point is whether it is suppressed or expressed. So sometimes the suppressed traits and parts of you get attracted to the same traits and parts which the other person might be expressing. Everything is you. Everybody is you. Sometimes people are drawn to you. And you means everybody who is listening to this message. People are drawn to you, or you are drawn to people, attracted madly to each other. Could be for some reason. The other person is coming into your life to show you your own value. To love and to be loved is the most beautiful feeling on earth. It brings out the best in you. It brings out health benefits like never before. Sometimes people come together whose souls have similar purposes. They are the torches on earth. They come together to finish some unfinished tasks from the past. They come together to shake some norms or some trends or some stale beliefs and create real true joy and bliss energies, placing and giving priority to the heart energies, defying norms, breaking barriers, being trendsetters of your own kind, because you are a part of society and it is you who will shake up things and thinking patterns, the slow moving evolution and growth patterns, the stale, the decay, the outdated patterns prevalent in any society. So sometimes you come together to break, shake, uplift, trigger, and accelerate the growth patterns in mass consciousness. And this can be done by shaking some old beliefs about partnerships, marriages, love, expressions of love. You are an eternally love being. What is prevalent is, you see on a road, if somebody hits your vehicle, you can easily roll down the window and express yourself freely, fighting, abusing, accusing, also being violent. But how hesitant people are to express love, because there are so many vulnerabilities to express love. People hesitate because so many things are still unresolved. The patterns of unworthiness, I don't deserve, I am not worthy of love, receiving and getting it. Past patterns of fear, very, very strong patterns of fear, past hurts, memories, pain. You are just not releasing it. You are just covering them up with some false layers. But deep inside, all those things, all those emotions which are not required still exist. Even the childhood traumas, the frozen energies, the energies that have become cold and frozen, which need to be melted and floated away. But they are all existing in your being, in your body, in your energies. Rejection, lack of understanding, longings, ego, separatedness from each other, pain, hurt, frustration, disappointment, all these are existing in your energy pool. And the most important is fear. Once you release all these and you operate from a new place of being with a new mindset, you will understand what wonders can love, partnership, and marriages can do for you. The merging of powers of two powerful souls, the merging of energies of two powerful energy pools can bring so much of light to the world, to the planet. Blessings of love to each one listening to this message. May the God residing inside you bless you abundantly.